Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into something super practical. How to transfer money using the UBA mobile app in 2025. Whether you're sending cash to a friend, family, or paying bills, this guide will make it quick and hassle-free. By the end of this video, you'll be transferring money like a pro. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of the UBA mobile app installed on your smartphone. It's essential for all the new 2025 features, like enhanced security and faster transactions. Once that's sorted, open the app and log in with your credentials. Remember, always use a secure connection to protect your info. Now, on the home screen, look for the Transfers icon. It's usually front and center with a money arrow symbol. Tap on it, and you'll see options for different types of transfers, like to other UBA accounts or external banks. Select your preferred option. For this example, let's say you're transferring to another UBA user. Next, enter the recipient's details. You'll need their account number or phone number. Double-check for accuracy to avoid any mix-ups. Then, input the amount you want to send. The app might show you the available balance and any fees involved, so keep an eye on that. Before you hit confirm, the app will prompt you to add a reference or note for the transfer. This helps with tracking. Now, for security, you'll need to authorize the transaction. In 2025, UBA uses biometric verification like fingerprint or Face ID, so go ahead and verify it. Once done, you'll get a confirmation message, and the money should be on its way instantly. A quick tip: always review your transaction history in the app to ensure everything went smoothly. And if you're new to this, start with a small amount to get comfortable. There you have it. That's how easy it is to transfer money with the UBA mobile app in 2025. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Stay safe and see you next time. Bye for now.